P4, compositions of linear functions, find a value. This lesson you will see on the ACT. One way or the other, either P4 or P5, probably going to be P4. These are compositions, has nothing to do with English. So this is what we're doing. This is pronounced f of g of 0. F of g of 0. Now, I said it's going to be on the ACT. More than likely it's going to be in this form, but it could be f of g of 0. Okay? But more than likely it's going to be in this one. It's an open circle. It does not mean times, and because a times is just a dot, not an open circle. What you're going to do is you are going to put 0 into G, and whatever your answer is, you're going to put that answer into F. Okay, let's say that again. You're going to put 0 into G, and then you're going to put that answer into F. Okay, so it's kind of like reading backwards. 0 into G. So here's your G. We're going to put, let's do it a little bit more mathematical. So I'm going to find G of 0. And what that means is everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put 0. So 4x plus 6, I'm going to put a 0 right there. I'm going to do the math. And 4 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 6 is 6. So when I put 0 in, I got 6. Now, that 6, it's what's going to go into your F. So now we're going to find F of 6. Here is your F. So F is 6x. We're going to put that 6 into that parentheses. And 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 is your final answer. Okay, we're going to put 1 into G, and that answer into F. So G of 1 equals 1 plus 3 equals 4. Now we're going to put 4 into F. So F of 4 equals 5 times 4 equals 20. 20 is your answer. We're going to put negative 1 into the C. C is x plus 3, so negative 1 plus 3 is 2. So we're going to put that 2 into the B. So 4 times 2 is 8. See, they're not difficult. They just look really weird because you've never done anything like it. So S of 0 equals 6 times 0, which is 0. So we're going to put this 0 into your R. And 3 times 0 is 0. Excuse me. And so your answer is 0. D of negative 3. Negative 2 times negative 3 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So C of 4 equals negative 2 times 4 minus 9. Negative 8 minus 9 is negative 17. S of 1.8 equals 2 times 1.8 minus 1. 3.6 minus 1 is 2.6. R of 2.6 equals 4 times 2.6 minus 1. 10.4 minus 1 is 9.4. That's it. Yep, that's it.